Happy birthday, Jerry. Please keep humble and please stay safe every time. More birthdays to come.
Jerry, happy birthday! More birthdays to come and I hope na maging successful ka sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Jerry. I wish you to have a fantastic birthday and enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Jerry. I wish you a happy life and a successful life.
Happy birthday, Jerry. Wishing you a day full of love, laughter, and all your heart desires.
Happy birthday, Jerry. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Jerry, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Kantani maging successful ka sa iyong future. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jerry. More birthdays to come. Wala ko birthday. Ay, wala ko birthday. Wala ko regalo sa inyo, pero may tao. Tawa na lang.
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na
Birthday, Jerry. I'm wishing you all the best in life.
Happy birthday, Jerry. Wish you good health and always keep safe. And may all your wishes come true. Many birthdays to come and enjoy your special day. And again, happy birthday.
Hi, Jerry! Happy birthday! Kapay pa nga damog mag-abot sa imong birthday. Thank you. Hi, Jerry! Feliz cumpleaños and Diyos la bendiga.
Hello, Kuya. It's your big day na naman. 12 years old ka na, anak. Bless kami ni mama mo nga nag-abot ka sa amon life. I hope to continue as a good and responsible son to us. Pasensya ka na. Wala na naman si papa mo sa luyo mo, anak. Sa birthday mong adlaw. Siguro maintindihan mo na ang tanan ng mga sacrifices namon ni mama mo ay para sa inyo ni Bibi. Big boy ka na, anak. Kung ano man ang mga plano mo sa future, ari lang kami ni mama mo to support you and to guide you para ma-reach mo ang goal mo para sa imong pangabuhi. Tandaan mo, we love you always, anak, and happy birthday, big boy.